Hello, I'm Fran Monroe, and on behalf of the DeSoto Parks and Recreation Department and your fitness center, this is Work It Wednesday. And today we're going to learn how to use the assisted dip and chin. First things first, of course, we want to wipe this machine down. So be very cautious of keeping it clean before you get on it. And so you want to go ahead and wipe down all of the parts that you will be touching. Wipe down the handles and that pad. And the next thing that we need to do is learn how to put the proper weight for your weight, for how many pounds that you weigh in accordance to this machine. A lot of ladies get this confused and they think if they put it on real low, like 10, that's going to be what they're going to be lifting, but they're actually going to be lifting 10 plus their weight. So what you want to do is you want to go as high as you possibly can. So I weigh 140 pounds. So what I'm going to do, I only want to lift 70 pounds. So I put it on 70. You take that and you subtract it from your weight. So now 140, I'm going to subtract the 70 from the 140, and that's going to give me 70. So now we can get on the machine. Very carefully, I want you to hold on to the handles. The handles go in and they go out. So take them out, keep them wide as you approach the machine. Step one foot and then the other one. Make sure you're taking care to hold on to these handles. There's 3 sets of handles up here. For wide back, mid back. I call this is the one that's really, really good for the whole back, your whole back lats. So one knee at a time, you want to push this down with your knee and then put your other knee on it. So let the machine take you where you need to go. Come all the way down. And I want you to exhale up. You want to look over. Now if it snaps like that, that's okay. It just means it's too light. You just pull yourself and look over. Fall right back down. Listen. Now when you exit the machine, I want you to pull yourself up, step down, let your knee come up, and then step down and make sure you hold on. Same thing with each of these handles. So now we're going to show you how to do the dip part, which works back of the arms or the triceps. So remember, up here you're working lats and full back. Here is the dip. Bring your handles in. Again, put your knees up there and just fall down. Exhale, let yourself come up. Very carefully. Come up this time. Step off. Both hands to hold yourself for safety. That's how you work the assisted dip and chin. See you next time.